everyone, welcome to another video by Pythonpool. In this video, we're gonna see heap sort algorithm. We have seen plenty of algorithms like bucket sort, not bucket, but bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. We've seen plenty of them. Now it's turn for heap sort algorithm. First of all, the question arises, what is heap sort and how does it work? What is heap sort? Heap sort works by removing the elements from the heap part of the array one by one and adding to the sorted part of the array. What does it actually mean? I assume that you are familiar with the heap structure of the Python, heap data structure. So what the Python does is, it takes our unsorted list, converts that to the heap, and it pops the maximum element from the heap, store that in another list, name it as ordered, and then it arranges every element in the ascending order. So what is actually doing in this list 10, 5, 3, 4, 1, first of all, this list would be converted into this heap. You could see that. Then 10 would be popped out from this. As soon as 10 would be popped out, this heap would be arranged in a specific manner once again. So 10 would be stored in another list, name it as sorted list or ordered list, anything you could name it as. Once again, what is this maximum element? That is 5. Root element, that is 5. So that 5 would be popped out from the list, stored in the ordered, but before 10. So next time, if the element which is smaller than 5 would be stored before 5. So what it does, it appends the element one before the another, not one after the another, but one before the another. First of all, when the 10 is appended, when 5 would be appended, if 10 is of the 0th position, it would be pushed to the first position and 5 would be appended to the 0th position. In this way, when 4 would be appended, 5 would be pushed to the first position, 10 would be pushed to the second position, and 4 would be appended to the 0th position. In this way, it sorts the whole list in the new list and then it returns the sorted list. So let's see in Python how we design a program for this one. I'm going to make one file, name it as test.py, and fortunately for converting a list in the heap, we have a module in Python. That's our fortune that we are using Python language. Okay, that module is named as heapq, and from that module we only need two functions, that is heap push and heap pop. Heap push would convert our list into the heap and heap pop would pop out the element from the heap. So let's import that from heapq. This is our module. We need to import heap push and heap pop. Okay, and once we are done with importing, I need to define a function, name it as heap sort itself, and I need to take a list as usual. Now I need to define a heap that is empty initially, and for every item in our list, it should be converted into the heap. And we'll be calling this heap push function, and it would append the element to the heap and append what? Append I, of course. Now when our list is converted into the heap, I need to design one more list, name it as ordered. It should be empty, which is going to be our sorted list. Now I'll run the loop while the heap is not empty. So until and unless our heap doesn't becomes empty, we need to pop the elements from the heap. So ordered would append that elements and append what? Append heap pop, and heap pop would pop the element from the heap. So as soon as heap pop pops the element from the heap, it appends to the order. And in this way, until and unless our heap becomes empty, every element would be popped up from the heap, appended to the order in a certain manner, that is sorted manner. And once this all happens, I need to return this ordered list. Now as usual, I need to define my list. My list is fixed as I'm going to implement it. You are free to try your own. My list is 2 3 7 1 8 5 6 8 5 5 and 6. Okay, and after that I need to call this heap sort function. I need to call this heap sort function. I need to pass this L1 list, and whatever it returns, I need to store that in res variable. After that, whatever stored in res variable, I need to print that. With this, I save this program, I run my program, and you could see it gives me perfectly sorted list. So now you understand how our heap sort algorithm works. Let's see it more beautifully. So let's implement our heap sort algorithm. This was our list 8371256. No, it was not our list, but it is the list which is the heap. Actually, it is the heap. Our list was 2371856. It is being converted to the heap and it is arranged in this order. After the 8 is being popped out from the heap and appended to the ordered, our heap becomes something like this. Once again 7 is popped out, our heap becomes like this. Then 6 is popped out, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so this element, when you see when the 8 is being popped out, it is being stored at 0th position in the ordered list. But as soon as the 7 is being popped out, it is being shifted to the first position and 7 is stored at the 0th position. And then shifting happens. Every time the element being popped out from the heap, shifting happens in the ordered list. In this way, we got our sorted list, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I hope you like this video. You're having a great day ahead. Thank you.